I'm just struggle today to record a normal video for you. I don't know, sometimes it go like naturally and I can talk to you, and sometimes it's like today, like I don't know, it was 10 video I just deleted because I talk too much or I talk nothing. It's crazy. But today we will sketch. Like I will sketch and you can sketch with me. I'm glad and I really like when you leave me a comment that you sketch with me and so on. And I visited a nice place in Hungary a few weeks ago, and I did a lot of footages. The place is so nice. I will share the information about the location in the description. You can visit when you are around. And we can start sketching. I want to sketch first with brush pen or liner, then move to some colors, like maybe watercolor, maybe acrylic, I don't know yet, or maybe, I don't know, I want to go back and just sketch something with oils, but probably not today or not in this video. Okay, and hopefully the voice is better, because as you see I have a nice mic and I want to give you a better experience, and maybe this will do the job. And we can start sketching, and I really thank you for being here. And I sit like a goblin, like this. I should like sit this. Oh, and this sketch I made on location. It was really fast, but I managed to skip the shape of the castle on the hilltop, and I really like that one. And here you can see this one. I did this also on location. The page was prepped and I was planned to just fill it with color, but then I realized I do not have anything like a container for water, and also I do not have anything just to clean my brushes, so I decided just leave it like this. And then we was on near the lake, and based on a photo I just did this one. I can just put a video, because I made some videos about how I sketch, so I will just put in this. And then this is the sketch of the small boy, so I will sketch on this page. And in this one I do not sketch. That was not me, it was from Lily, but I have a blank pages, so maybe I will use this and this one first. Yes, I want to use this one first to just make some fast line sketches and decide about the composition. Yes, or maybe this page I can use also for 2 thumbnails to decide the composition, and then move on and create something more finished.
What's that?
1992-től rendszeresen zajlik napjainkig. A régműszaki feltárásokat Feld István és Juan Parejo, később Gino Zoltán néven Beat Viktor irányítja. Az üzemi Füzér között Magdály aktív.
Vár, nem utolsó sorban történeteinek köszönhetően.
make látod, jányoltad így? Látod a képernyőt?
Igen.
Miért a fekete bogár? Monika elmentek. Mit?
Mert hogy kimentek a parkot. Nézni a dolgokat.
Vannak, no? Hogy van? Hol vannak?
Állj abba a bóka!